it's better to start with the project structure. I usually like to have separation of concern between different elements of a front-end app. For example, here we have components, constants, hooks, services, types, and utils. Usually, I prefer to have these folder structure for each feature, but for this demo, since we only have one feature, so I guess it's okay to have it uh, here in the src folder. For components, based on UI, I have chat, layout, UI. Basically, the UI is a design system components like button, toggle, typography, or things like this. Chat is the main components for our UI, and uh, I have a hook use chat, and I also have a API client class to handle the request to the back. Okay, the main logic to communicate between front end and back end happens in the client class. I use the class structure to encapsulate the logic and to use the abort controller when the user want to stop the request. And to just walk through the code, we have the API base URL. Basically, I use this structure to have the different base URL for different environments. So it has send chat message functionality in the class. And first, we have some checks for the chat message in the input. Then we make a fetch request with this abort control, and there are some checks for the response type and response body, and also I've made a custom error class to handle errors better. And the main logic happens in the process stream functionality. In the README file, it is mentioned that the backend features both streaming and non-streaming response one, but actually it's not correct. We only uh, manage the backend only manage the stream mode, and there are three types of messages that pass the backend pass to the front end. So the logic is based on that. And inside the process stream class, basically we create a buffer every time uh, we have a data chunk. So we add this to the buffer. And for non-streaming mode, we just return the full response. And we have cancel request functionality here. After overview of use chat hook, we have an array of messages. The type is message. Basically, it has ID, content, a sender based on user and system, and type success error to also handle the error and handle the retry mechanism. And also there is a Boolean flag to show that if the user stopped the procedure or not. So we have functionalities like handle send message, handle a stop message, and to enable Wikipedia search and to enable streaming or not, or to clear all the message history, or to have retry mechanism. Just to show handle send message, basically we create a user message based on the user content and the input, and the AI message at first it's empty, and then we add the buffer from the client API class to it. Okay, to show the UI, at first I use Tailwind to have the clean class names and minimal styles. And I also customize my Tailwind using custom colors, font sizes, some shadows, and some animations. Okay, the main component chat container, it has a header section that has clear button and it has a scrollable area that shows the chat history and the message input that the user can send a message. For a message list, so we could have uh, typing and loading indicator and have two type of messages, error message and success message. Basically, with the success message, we have copy mechanism. With error message, we have retry mechanism. When the list goes long, I guess it's better to use virtualization, but for this assignment, I guess that's enough for now. And for message input, we have handle send functionality and the text area and toggle for Wikipedia and stream enable link, and also a button that changes to stop and send when the user click on it.